Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll look at how to do a lookup with two values in Excel. So this is my data. It has products, 3 different types of sizes and corresponding prices for each of these 3 products. Now from this database, I want a small summary here, and in the summary, if I put in any product and the size, I want a formula here that should give me the price based on the product and then the size. So we proceed. When data is in this form, it is helpful to convert it into a table. It allows for what we call structured reference. That is, you can reference the table without using a mouse, and it makes it easier to do some calculations. To convert into a table, make sure your topmost row is your header and there are no entries or data around it. So you press Ctrl T and you easily convert this into a table. Table allows you to name. So I'll go to the table design. You click inside the table and go to table design, and I will name this database. So what this means is if I call database, this area is highlighted. Now I'll proceed to my formula. So here I have a data validation that lists the unique products I'm dealing in, and I have the sizes also in here. So I want to find the price of a small pineapple from this database. We are going to use a function called DGET. So DGET allows you to fetch information or look up information from a database. So our database is this. I could have typed this database, open square brackets, and then select all. This selects all the database including headers. Now I'll bring my comma. My field is where the answer I'm expecting will come from, and it requires the field header. So I'm going to pick this cell that contains price. Okay, it should match the label you've given in the database. And then I'll proceed to my criteria. My criteria is product and size. So I pick the labels that match the database labels, and then I will include the criteria in here. So I'll highlight product, size, pineapple, and small. So I hit enter, and then the price of a small pineapple is 1. If I change this to medium, this gives me 7. If I change the product to orange, so this now is able to return an answer on 2 lookup values. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can join our WhatsApp broadcast list. We send videos on Mondays and Fridays to your WhatsApp. Send ad to this WhatsApp number, or you can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity, for all our old videos. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.